Welcome, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Um, Hope you guys had a wonderful weekend, and hope you guys are ready for the new week. So I'm just going to analyze the charts and give a breakdown of what I'm looking out for on my favorite pairs like GBPUSD, gold, and and Euro GPY. So as usual, I'm going to start with the lower time frame, the higher time frame. Sorry. So let's go to the daily. Let's see how last week closed. Yeah, last week we closed with a sell candle. Yeah, basically we closed the sell candle. So on the weekly we are still very much bearish. On the weekly, with price just rejecting from this level. You understand? This support level here. So let's go scale down to the daily. Daily likewise too, we are still very much bearish. So I think we've already seen that shift in structure already happening from the 4 hours. So if I take it to the 4 hours, we've already start seeing price giving us series of words of lower lows. You can see price has been breaking our lows. You understand? Price has been breaking our lows right here. So we are looking at, we've already seen that shift in that shift in structure already. You understand? From being bullish towards price becoming bearish. So now we should be looking out for more of sales on GBPUSD this week. Yeah, more of sales on GBPUSD this week. So currently, all I just want to see is I might be calling a lot of sales on GBPUSD this week. I just want to see is this breakdown, breakouts fully, then retests, then we get that continuation to the downside, which is first TP should be here. So before price gets here, I just hope to see that retest, then we'll see that continuation to this side. You understand? We'll see that continuation to this side. So yeah, that is it on GBPUSD. That's my view on GBPUSD. Currently, I believe market is bearish on GBPUSD, so we should be looking out for more sales. So now I just want to see that full breakout. Then, while price is retesting, I'll be looking for an entry, a zone whereby I can enter the sales from. But for now, there's no zone yet. So we just have to wait and see if we can get that entry zone. You understand? So next pair will be gold. Let's go to the weekly. So if we see it from last week, gold has broken. Gold clearly broke the all-time high. Gold has broken above the all-time high. Yeah. So very much bullish on the weekly. Very much bullish also on the daily. Very much bullish also on the daily. Then in 4 hours, we still have very much bullish on the 4 hours. Very bullish on the 4 hours. So what does that tell us? We should be looking for buys, more buys. You understand? More buys. You all already know the system. More buys. We have to trade alongside the trend, and the trend of this market currently is bullish. So I'm going to take it back to the 4 hours. Let's see if price were to retest from this high right here. If price were to retest from this high right here, yeah. If price were to retest from that high, I'm gonna have fib drawn from here to here. And we'll have a buy entry at this point. We'll have a buy zone around this level. You understand? We'll have a quick buy zone around that level. So that's if price were to retest from here. You understand? So if price were to reverse from here, from that point, then we'll get to see this place respected as a buy zone, with I'm expecting it to continue moving upwards. Well, that is just my view on gold for now. So let's see how it plays out. I said, how I teach, and my philosophy when it comes to trading. Don't try to predict the market. Always, try to follow what price is telling you. You understand? Just follow what. So we won't try to predict the market. We'll just try and see, okay, what price does this week, and from there, hopefully, we'll get our entry. If I see price action plays out according to our strategy, I'm going to call out a trade on the Telegram channel. So you guys just stay tuned to the Telegram channel, and for more updates. So we'll be getting more signals this month, February, between Happy New Month, guys. So we'll be getting more signals this February, this month. Yeah. So let's go to Euro JPY. I'm gonna delete a lot of this crap. So Euro JPY from the weekly, let's see. Kind of giving me like a head and shoulder pattern. If you look at it. Even if I want to, even this, let's even leave that. Look here. See, first shoulder, head, second shoulder. So this is giving me like a head and shoulder pattern. You understand? Head and shoulder pattern. Those of you that knows your price pattern. So this is giving like a head and shoulder. So that means this is a reversal pattern for sales. So we should be looking more on the sell side. You understand? We should be looking more on the sell side than buys. We'll be looking at sales for Euro JPY. So currently, for the daily, okay, we have this minor low here, which will be a proper low on the 4 hours. Understand? So on the daily, we still have that same head and shoulder pattern showing very well. So let's see on the 4 hours, what can we expect? So on the 4 hours, I'll prefer wait for price to break this low here, this low, or even not just that low safe. But if price breaks this low, we could possibly get an entry. Yeah, we could possibly get an entry on Euro JPY for sales. So let's just see how price reacts this week. Let it break this level, because I'm not seeing any good sales zone. You understand? I'll just take this as slightly a rangy market, and I like to trade a trendy market. You understand? You guys know my strategy is based on a trendy market. So on this Euro JPY now, we have to see a proper trend formed. You understand? So I'd like to see a break below this place, something like this. Then boom. So I'd just like to see something like this play out. Then before I can call out a trade on Euro JPY. But for now, even on the 30 minutes, it's quite choppy. Almost on every time frame, it's quite choppy. It's quite choppy almost on every time frame. So I just likely expect to see it play out that way before hopefully we can get a trade. You understand, guys? So apart from that, I'm not really seeing a good zone, except maybe during the week something happens, then I can call out a trade on this Euro JPY. But for now, I'm not seeing anything clearly on this. You understand, guys? So I'll leave out Euro JPY for now. So focus on gold and GBPUSD. Then if Euro JPY start trending very well, then hopefully we get the trade. So that's it for now, guys. And also we have NFP this week. I need to quickly go to fundamentals. Let me explain some things that are happening this week. So we have the the trade war going on between dollar card. Dollar and card is the most one of the currency pairs we trade. So I'll just focus on that. We have trade wars going within dollar and card. So I should expect USD card to see some big moves this week. But I feel I'm looking at more bullish on USD card. You understand? More bullish on USD card. So those of you that trade USD card, just a hint. So I'm not going to analyze it for you. Just go and do your homework on that. But based on what's going on, there's a trade war going on between the USD and the Canadian dollar. So just be careful and expect to see big moves happen on USD card. So that's by the side. This week we have some high impact news on CHF on Monday and Euro on Monday. Those of you that are trading Euro and CHF, we have high impact news. We also have high impact news on CAD and dollar by 3:30 and 3:45 respectively, and also by 4 p.m. So on Monday, so we have news on Monday. On Tuesday, we also have news on Euro, and also we have news on USD by 4 p.m. on Tuesday. Then we also have NZD news too on Tuesday. That one is close to midnight. Then on Wednesday, we have news still on Euro. We have news on Euro. Then we also have on GBP by 10:30 on Wednesday. Then we also have on by 2:15 on USD, and we also have by 2:30 on CAD, and also by 3:30 on CAD. And also we have news also on USD by 3:45 and by 4 p.m. On Thursday, we shall have news also. We have news on AUD, we have news on CHF, unemployment rates. We also have news on Euro, and we have something interesting on Thursday. We have GBP interest rate decision. You understand? Going to be a volatile day for GBP. Their interest rate decision is coming out on Thursday by 1 p.m. Nigerian time. So watch out, those of us that are trading GBP pairs, we have to be careful on Thursday. Then we also have news by 2:30 on Thursday, job claim for USD. Then on Friday, we should be having NFP this Friday. We have NFP non-farm payroll on Friday. We also have CHF news, we have card news. We have card news by 2:30. We also have NFP by 2:30. So I don't know, we might be trading it on Friday. Let's just see how market. If I see a setup playing out, you understand, that aligns with the NFP, I will literally be trading it and calling out a setup for you guys. You understand? So, but according to the forecast of the NFP, a higher than expected figure is seen as positive, while lower than expected and negative. So we are having a lower than expected figure. So they are saying the USD is going to be weak for NFP. But let's see how it plays out on the charts. You understand? So let's see how it plays out on the chart on Friday. But the NFP is saying the USD is going to be weak. The consensus is coming out lower than the actual. So they are saying USD is going to be weak, coming out weak for the NFP. But let's see how it plays out. You know, NFP news is 50-50. So you have to always analyze it with your technicals. So let's see the technicals on Friday and see if it aligns with this news. You understand? So we have to wait till there. So that'll be all for now, guys. I'll see you guys next time, next week Sunday. Be safe and have a profitable week.